Rain falls gently, the forest breathing in silence.
Wow! Look at that! It's so beautiful!
Our very own treehouse.
Inside, wood and light turn the storm into comfort. A small flame rises, bringing warmth to the night.
Dinner's almost ready, little ones.
It smells delicious, Papa!
Raindrops race the window, dreams follow quietly. Steam lifts softly, filling the room with calm. Rain touches every leaf, the forest listening. Bowls and bread gather. Together feels complete. Warm food, gentle smiles, the night feels kind. Rain grows louder, inside stays peaceful. Warm cups in hand, time slows down. Fireflies glow softly. The forest whispers back. Eyes close gently. Dreams begin. Quiet sips. Moonlight shared. The rain fades. Calm remains. Morning light arrives, soft and golden.
Good morning, everyone! Breakfast is almost ready.
Look, Mummy, the birds are playing.
The treehouse rests, wrapped in morning calm. Morning rain lingers, mist hugging the trees. The window opens slowly. Fresh air gently enters. Water warms quietly. Steam rises like a sigh. Soft light touches sleepy eyes. The day begins gently. Leaves shine after rain. The forest feels new. Simple food cooks slowly. Comfort fills the room. The table waits calmly, ready for togetherness. Warm smiles meet the morning. Silence feels kind. The rain fades away. Sunlight quietly returns. Colors move on paper. Imagination wakes. Two hearts pass together, watching the world breathe.
You had subsidiary news. I'm genuinely canoe. The view.
Time slows in the tree. Afternoon rests softly. Hands move unhurried, every moment unspoken.
Thank you for the meal.
It's delicious.
Golden light drifts in. Day softly bows. Small chores feel gentle. Peace lives in motion. Eyes follow fading light. Wonder stays silent. Night settles once more. Lights glow warmly. Fireflies dance softly. Magic breathes nearby. The forest sleeps, home remains warm.